Hello guys, Super Anthony coming at you with a 2013 Kink bike check, Cyan Blue and Dusk Black. Start down here, right here. Mission, unsealed front hub, Kink Volt 2 forks, Mission Paramount stem, standard headset right there, Kink Midtown 8-inch rise bars, Colt D-Heart grips in blue. They come with Mission Helix grips. The bike comes with Mission Helix grips. I do not like those grips at all, so I got these right away. Odyssey bar ends, right there. Or Odyssey bar ends. Come down here, got the one-piece seat and seat post combo. Gonna get a Shadow Conspiracy crowed soon. I have the Mission seat standard stock Mission seat post clamp, Mission Triumph 3-piece cranks with the Odyssey twisted PC pedals in black. Come back here, or not very back, very far. Right here, I have the unsealed American bottom bracket. Then if we come back here, got the 9-tooth driver. Then I have the Mission Function semi-sealed back or rear cassette hub, Demolition Momentum tires in the back, 2.2s back and in front actually. Right there. The hub is pretty loud. I like my hubs loud. Here, I'll make my hub so you can hear it. As you can see, pretty loud. My tires squeak a lot. It comes with a stock brake lever. I took my brake lever off. I am not a big fan of brakes, but I'd use brakes. Be safe. That's about it. Might be coming out with another video today. Maybe not. Go subscribe to one of my good friends, 8 Dutchman. See you later.